Welcome guys. So if you want to do a slow motion and speed up effect in CapCut, watch this video. So this is the video I'll be working on now. So this is what I want to do first. If you want to do a slow motion first, you go to this speed here. So now I can lower this thing here. So after lowering it here, so this is slow. I'm doing a slow motion now, so I'll decrease it. So I'll decrease the speed, then I'll move this timeline to here. I'll split it, then I'll increase the speed so it will be faster now, and then I'll come here like this. I'll split it again and probably turn it to normal. So let's watch. So you can see the effect. So let me try it again. Let me try it from speed up to slow motion. So I'm going to split here again, then come to this speed here and increase the speed, then come here and split it again, then I'll decrease it again so it will be slow, then I'll come here and turn it to normal. So let's watch again. Let me start from here. Let me start from the beginning and let's see how it's gonna look. You can see. So let me do this for the last time so you probably gonna understand the full depth. So now I want to do is speed, slow, then speed again, then slow, then normal. So I'm gonna start from here. I'll split here. So I'll speed it up. No, from slow, right? From slow, then I'll split here, then I'll speed it up again, then I'll come here, then do a slow motion again. Now click here, slow motion, then I'll come here and do it fast. Then after, I'll come here, I'll split it first, then do normal. So let's watch the track. You can see. So guys, thank you for watching. So this is how to do a slow motion plus speed up effect in CapCut. So thank you guys for watching. Till we meet in our next video. Peace.